Today we are here, the mall at Millenia, location at Orlando, Florida. Go. Yeah. What's up YouTube, it's 터프정우. Today we are here, the mall at Millenia, location at Orlando, Florida. My husband want to go checking their shopping mall. Let's go see, let's go. What did you say? This is shopping mall what? Better than what?
Better than the Tennessee one.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Whatever. Yeah, even they should be not pretty like that. Let's go. 대근했어. 깜짝이야. 어그리, she's ugly.
I'm not ugly.
No. Here, 따란. 50% too. Yep, let me see. Here, 59. 29.99. They do have a hoodie, the white color. Wow, I like their fabric. Why you play this stupid thing? There you go. Why? My husband and I actually want to go to swimming pool area. They do have a spa. My husband wants to do spa.
It's over there.
What? Yeah, we cannot just cut the people's house, right? the spot. See, again, figure out. All this. See. You almost got it. All, they're open. There is the temperature, Daddy. Let me see sparrow.
Asking that stupid question, please. It's dumb.
Oh, Daddy, you need to go shower. Oh, you can put it there, Daddy. It is hot, baby. You cannot go down.
Is it warm?
She said hot. You don't need a sunblock? Oh. Make sure me watch her, baby. And then you go. Hot? She said hot. How are you gonna stay there, Yobo? 2 minutes and then you say, you're gonna say, I'm done, shit, it's so hot. Oh, watch out. Go sit down the bobo area. That's gonna be massage for you. Philippine 9 inch. Ready. Almost full. Almost full, yeah, almost full. See, stand again, stand. On the ground. Good girl. Make sure you're not scary, okay? Go down and up and sit. Relax. Go.
I have the doggy paddle. Why do I have to be here?
Can you calm down if you are? You don't make a deal.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.
Bye bye.